Ito na mga kababayan, yung House Bill na tutuldok sa future po ng SMNI. Ano yan, Mr. Maravillas? May draft bill na mga kababayan na magre-revoke sa franchise ng SMNI. Talaga ba, Mr. Maravillas? Talaga po. Oh, ito siya, mga kababayan. May number na nga, oh. Republic of the Philippines, House of Representatives, Batasan Hills, Quezon City, 19th Congress, 2nd Regular Session, House Bill 9710, introduced by Representative Ramon Rodrigo L. Gutierrez, an act revoking the legislative franchise granted to Suara Sog Media Corporation operating under the business name Sunshine Media Network International or SMNI, repealing for the purpose Republic Act 11422, entitled an act renewing for another 25 years the franchise granted to Suara Sog Media Corporation under Republic Act number 8122, entitled an act granting the Suara Sog Media Corporation of the Philippines a franchise to construct, install, operate, and maintain for commercial purposes radio and television broadcasting station in the Philippines and for other purposes. Sa mga kababayan, namumuro na niya talaga, Mr. Maravillas, yung SMNI. Paano po? Na found out na napakarami ng mga violations. Hindi lang ng franchise. Sabi nga sa ating interview, yung personal interview ko po kay PBA Party List Representative Migs Nograles, pati yung saligang batas na violate po ng SMNI. Matindi po, mga kababayan. But before ko na ibigay sa inyo yung full story, kung ano yung nilalaman nitong House Bill, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video. At wag na rin po ninyo mga kababayan na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unlad ng bagong Pilipinas. Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, bumisita lang kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. Pasensya na po kayo, may pumupukpok po sa paligid. May nag-aayos po sa kwarto. Ayan nyo na po. Natural background natin siya. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and bills payment for Meralco Bills, PLDT, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor, Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Gilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Ayos pa. Ayan, yung nagpapokpok po, wag na ninyo intindihin. May nag-ayos po sa kabilang kwarto. What? O, di ba? Ayan po mga kababayan ang House Bill number 9710, introduced by Representative Ramon Rodrigo L. Gutierrez. Ito yung sabi nga, the last nail na ibabaon po sa pintuan ng SMNI. Sabi diyan, be enacted by the Senate and the House of Representatives of the Philippines in this Congress assembled that Section 1, the legislative franchise granted to Suara Sog Media Corporation operating under the business name Sunshine Media Network International under Republic Act 11422, entitled an act renewing for another 25 years the franchise granted to Suara Sog Media Corporation under Republic Act number 8122, entitled an act granting the Suara Sug Media Corporation of the Philippines a franchise to construct, install, operate, and maintain to commercial purposes radio and television broadcasting stations in the Philippines and for other purposes is hereby revoked. Section 2, Republic Act 11422 is hereby repealed. Section 3, this act shall take effect 15 days after its publication in the official gazette or in newspaper of general circulation. So ito, introduce pa lang po ito, baka malito kayo. Hindi pa man po ito approve, final pa lang po, kaya may number na siya ng House Bill number. So medyo matagal-tagal pa. Right now, yung programa po ni Maudigs at saka ni Celis, para hindi na po sila gawa pa ng kung ano-anong kalituhan sa ating mga mamamayang Pilipino na maaaring mag-pose ng threat to national security. Sinuspend na muna po ng MTRC before 14 days at saka sinundan po ng NTC suspension for 30 days yung buong istasyon na po, yung buong network. Kaya right now po, pag naririnig ninyo yung SMNI at saka yung mga radio stations nila, hindi na po yon sa mainstream, kundi nag-migrate muna sila. Sa bagay, nasa social media na sila, matagal na. So, just like ABS-CBN, doon na muna sila po nagbo-broadcast. Kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin na napapakinggan po ng mga mamamayang Filipino at hindi pa rin po nagbabago yung kanilang mga pananaw. Ganon pa rin, wala pa rin tigil sa kanilang mga ginagawa. So sabi dito po sa final na House Bill, sinight pa po yung dispersal of ownership sa Section 11 kasi based sa investigation po ng Congress, pati yung ownership problematic po. So inisa-isa yung findings po ng mga congressmen sa mga violations na nagawa ng company. Sinama dito po sa mga sections, responsibility to the public. Tapos sabi rito sa baba, finally, Suara Sug violated Section 12 of its grant. Section 12 of Republic Act 11422 states that reportorial requirement during the term of its franchise, the grantee shall submit an annual report to the Congress of the Philippines through the Committee on Legislative Franchise of the House of Representatives and the Committee on Public Services of the Senate on its compliance with the terms and the conditions of the franchise and its operation on or before April 30 of every year. The reportorial compliance certificate issued by Congress shall be required before an application for permit, certificate, or any equivalent thereof is accepted by the NTC. And hearing conducted on December 11, 2023, it was heard and admitted to the Suara Sug's legal counsel, admitted to by Suara Sug's legal counsel, that the versions of the notarized annual reports submitted to the committee are different from those submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission. So yun yung mga na-found out na mga violations. Yung sinama rito po sa House Bill na magre-revoke ng franchise ng Kongreso. Personal nating narinig kasi nangyari ito noong December 11, na-invite po kami as mga legit vloggers. So nakapag-cover po tayo, mga kababayan, ng committee hearing ng Kongreso. So sabi dyan, moreover, the Committee on Legislative Franchise approved the committee report adopting House Resolution number 1499 urging the National Telecommunications Commission to suspend the operation of Suara Sug or SMNI for violating the terms and conditions of its franchise. The committee finds that these acts of the grantee corporation should not be countenanced, having exposed Suara Sug's multiple franchise violations. It is incumbent upon the House of Representatives, therefore, to exercise its mandate provided for under Article 12, Section 11 of the Constitution by repealing Republic Act 11422 in the interest of justice and the common good. Knowing further that misinformation and misrepresentation can have serious implications, most especially in shaping public opinion and thus create potential social and political divide. The operation of Suarasog or SMNI is considered a threat to national security and stability as it continues to use its platform to disseminate unverified and untruthful statements. The swift passage of this measure is earnestly sought. So ito po, mga kababayan, introduced by Ramon Rodrigo L. Gutierrez, One Rider Party List. So yun po mga kababayan. And tingnan natin kung kailan ito. Siguro medyo matatagalan pa ng konti. Siyempre, dadaan siya sa deliberation ng Kongreso. And until now, yung investigation nga ng committee, hindi pa po natatapos. So malamang, once na libaw natapos yung investigation, ito pong inintroduce na House Bill ni Congressman Gutierrez, may mga amendments dito. Siyempre, ipapasok yung mga bagong findings na possible violations pa ng SMNI sa kanilang franchise. So, hintay-hintay lang po tayo ng mga susunod na mga pangyayari. Pending po ito in Congress. Pero anya, Mr. Maravillas, sa tingin mo, madidiretsohan? Tingnan na lang natin mga kababayan kasi hindi man tayo manghula. Ngayon, aninihintay natin mga kababayan kung pumipekto yung power ni Gibbs, yung may-ari ng universe. Kung ma-stop niya po ito, mga kababayan. Pag hindi na niya ito na-stop, ito na po yung katapusan ng kanilang kwento. And I think marami yung matutuwa kasi alam ninyo, talagang kitang-kita naman po yung mga pagmamalabis na sobrahan po ng tapang at yabang. At hindi lang po tapang at yabang yung nandoon. Tambak po yung violations sa mga rules, provisions ng franchise na binigay ng Kongreso, pati ng ating konstitusyon at pati ng KBP, Code of Ethics. At nang hindi nila masunod yung KBP Code of Ethics, biglang umalis po sa KBP bilang member. Kasi hindi nila masunod. Mga kababayan, yung Code of Ethics, yung ethical standards na dapat sinusunod ng isang broadcaster, ng isang mamamahayag. Yan man lang po, abangan natin to kung kailan ma-approve at finally ma-revoke yung franchise ng SMNI tulad ng sinapit mga kababayan ng ABS-CBN. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless.